passionate, self-driven, and confident. Aim high. Hello everyone, I am Ezzati Hanis binti Zaman. I'm a pure science student in Sekolah Sri Puteri Cyberjaya, one of the most elite school in Malaysia.
Passion. I've always been interested in STEM, especially innovation that ignites my idea about why I love engineering. In 2022, I became the only delegate from Malaysia in the program of PropCom Masters International in Atlanta, United States. I also proved my leadership skills when I was awarded as Class Speaker Award against 21 other countries and appeared in the Sinar Bestari as the Young Ambassador for Malaysia. Self-driven. I participated in a lot of international competitions and managed to get Gold Award for the International Creativity and Innovation Award in Surabaya, Indonesia, and Malaysia International Young Inventors Award Mayo in the category of Environmental Engineering. I'm also a team player. I love to engage and work with other people so that I can have more experience and exposure.
I am so confident that I possess a very great leadership skills.
I was elected as the High Committee Treasurer of the school, also known as Top 5.
Looking for IT expert? Here I am. I am good at using Apple apps such as Keynote, iMovie, as well as other apps such as CapCut. Come here, let me show you.
This is the prototype I made by using Keynote for Petronas National Street Smart Challenge.
Helping other people by tutoring makes me happy.
I managed to get 3.72 CGPA and among the top 10 batch for my latest academic exam.
I assure that I have the perfect qualification to pursue chemical engineering at your university.
For any inquiries, do contact me at ezzatihanis.20@sriputeri.edu.my. That's all from me. Oops, the time has ended. Bye!